Do you want to speak English naturally in your daily life? Let's learn common expressions you can use every day. Welcome to Slow Listen English. Today, we are going to learn daily English expressions that people use all the time. These are not just words. They are idioms and phrases that make your English sound natural. Let's start. Break the ice means start a conversation. Example: I told a joke to break the ice at the party. Piece of cake means very easy. Example: cleaning my room was a piece of cake. Hit the books means study hard. Example: I need to hit the books for my exam tonight. Under the weather means feeling sick. Example: I'm feeling under the weather today. Cost an arm and a leg means very expensive. Example: this new phone costs an arm and a leg. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. Example: I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Spill the beans means reveal a secret. Example: don't spill the beans about the surprise party. Bite the bullet means do something difficult or unpleasant. Example: I'll bite the bullet and start my homework. Call it a day means stop working. Example: let's call it a day and go home. Cut corners means do something quickly, carelessly. Example: don't cut corners on your project. Tips to remember them. Repeat each phrase aloud. Use them in your own sentences. Try to notice them when watching movies or TV shows. Small practice. I will say a phrase slowly. Try to repeat after me. Break the ice. Piece of cake. Hit the books. Under the weather. Cost an arm and a leg. Great! Keep practicing. Every day, your English will become natural. Remember, daily expressions make your English real, not textbook English, not classroom English. Practice. Repeat. Use them in your daily life. Thank you for listening to Slow Listen English. See you next time.